Today's field visit was one of the most memorable that I've attended since I've been on the board, going on to now my, I think, 4th year. I saw quite a lot that has happened that has got potential to transform our programs, particularly the digitization and modernization of our breeding programs is one thing that I believe could be very highly effective. It could be potentially quite high impact in improving efficiencies. What one would like to see as a follow-up action to this modernization effort a year from now would be a monitoring and evaluation and assessment of the impact that this is having as a way of continuously improving it. We really would like, at least I personally would like to see us roll out these programs quite efficiently to all our regions. I'm sure we'll make a significant impact as an organization. So when I look at the programs that we saw today, obviously the one thing was the modernization with respect to digitization. That was very highly impressive. And the proactivity therein, where we looked at ICRISAT actually developing gadgets that we can deploy, really creates a very unique value proposition for us as ICRISAT. But it creates something that can be used more broadly within the CG system, but more importantly, with our partners in the National Agricultural Research institutions. So that was the first thing. Then when we went to the agricultural engineering displays, what one saw there was quite incredible, and I think we don't profile it enough. We saw a variety of prototypes that I hear when such or similar gadgets are imported, they are highly expensive. One then starts to see the effort of our engineers to develop localized prototypes is a very unique opportunity to create business models that make these prototypes affordable and accessible to our own farmers. And then one starts to think about how could we then start to create, through localization, potential other entrepreneurs that make and localize these prototypes. So one would want to see a business model developed in the future where we create opportunities for entrepreneurs in engineering to really start to develop these prototypes into something that we can continuously perfect and deploy so that farmers have got access to the benefits that the prototypes are giving. One of the things that we also saw, which I think is a value-adding dimension, was the possibility of looking at the current functions of the prototypes, but also then analyzing the potential other functions that we could use these prototypes for. So for example, we had the one prototype that was looking at measuring moisture, I think it was, in grain, where the secretary was then saying, could we use this to grade grain? So one could think about the multiplicity of uses that we can have for these prototypes and the versatility that we can build into them so that we really target drudgery is one of the things that hold back farmers in terms of productivity, efficiencies. If they can be efficient, they can have more time on their hands, and we will directly impact their quality of life.